Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Andile Mpisane is winning this year, you guys, and I'm sure he's been winning all his life since he's a son to a millionaire. Oh, wait, a billionaire actually, Sean Keezy. From having one of the biggest engagement parties in the whole of South Africa. And today he showed us his brand new car, which is said to be estimated to be worth over 4.2 million rand. Congratulatory messages were flooding in on his social media accounts today, you guys. But before we get to that, check out the video and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Back. Back. I say that. Amen.
A black man's riches will always be questionable. That was written by Rainkin. Mashuto wrote, "No man, how rich are they?" Well, Mashuto, let me answer that. They are rich, rich. Guys, please comment. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye, and congratulations to Andile.